Hi guys, Danny at Arjie Customs, and we've got a Range Rover Evoque, just got dropped off by the customer, and it's getting a satin chrome wrap in carbon grey it's called. It's going to look fantastic, stick around.
Now we are preparing the vinyl pieces going onto the Evoque behind me. The vinyl we use is from Arjie 704 Satin Chrome Carbon Grey. The difference between our satin chrome to the major manufacturer is our satin chrome lasts a very long time, up to 5 years. So we give up to 5-year warranty because our satin chrome is not got laminate over it. So the traditional way of making satin chrome is to laminate over mirror chrome. So the problem is when the laminate fails, the vinyl fails. So we had customer come back to us says, look, this vinyl is not good enough. Do you have anything better? Hence we developed this Arjie satin chrome.
So the car's finished, it turned out really well, and the customer's going to be really happy once they turn up and see it. Now for your information, this vinyl here is by Arjie. I'm holding the sample pack here, and this colour that we've used on this car is called Arjie 704. Now it is a 5-year cast vinyl, and it's a satin chrome carbon grey. It looks fantastic. As well as that, we've used the gloss black Arjie 801, and that's for the details. That includes the mirrors, the roof, and a few other components around the vehicle. So all of this vinyl is available through arjievinyls.co.uk/shop. And soon on this channel, we're going to be bringing out DIY tutorials to teach you properly how to wrap. And that way, you don't need to pay us to do it. You can just buy the material and do it yourself and realize it really is possible. So take care for now.